How to download Stable Diffusion from Hugging Face. Alright, so you want to download Stable Diffusion from Hugging Face. It's actually pretty straightforward. Let's walk through it together. So first thing first, what you need to do is open your web browser and go to Hugging Face website. Just type huggingface.co and enter, then log into your account, and after that you will be taken to this type of interface which we call homepage. And once on the homepage, tap on the search bar which is over here. Tap on the search bar over here and search for Stable Diffusion. Then with a few letters you can see a lot of options over here. Choose the one that you prefer. My preferable is Stable Diffusion 3.5 large. Simply tap on it. Then you will be taken to this type of interface. Simply tap on this file and version over here. Tap on it. And here it says you have to agree to share your contact information. You need to agree to share your contact information to access this model. So you have to fill out all this information, then tap on agree and access repository over here. And only after that you will have access to this AI. So that's the process. I'm not going to download this one, but I will guide you through the process. And once you fill out the form and got the access, you will see some files like this. And just beside the file, you will see an option for the download over here. And if you tap on it, it will automatically start downloading Stable Diffusion for you. And that's it. Now you know how you can download Stable Diffusion from Hugging Face. Pretty easy, right? So that's all for today's video. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.